We got a huge SSD from a company called Nimbus Data, known for making the 100 terabyte SSD a couple of years ago, which it can be yours for a mere $40,000 USD. And this is something you probably can't just buy as a consumer. You got to know someone, or you got to have a in or something like that. It's probably one of those type of situations that you can't just go to Amazon and buy one, which is quite unfortunate. So some specs on it. It's a 200 terabyte hard drive that's supposedly, allegedly, coming out sometime later this year. The drive was announced by Nimbus Data, known for making the 100 terabyte SSD, and the 200 terabyte SSD was going to be just like the 100 terabyte in the same physical size, the 3.5 inch form factor for easy swapping and going into data center systems that are already in place, because they all have 3.5 inch hard drives in them already. What's nice about swapping over to SSD is that it'll make it really like energy efficient. As you know, SSD solid state drives don't move, they don't vibrate, so they'll cut down a lot on vibration and noise and movement, take a lot less energy, produce a lot less heat, and overall just be great for enterprise systems. Now, the 100 terabyte version costs $40,000. This one is double the size at 200 terabytes. So does that mean it's going to be $80,000? I really hope not. Maybe $60,000. I mean, that's a good deal, right? Yeah, you know, double the space for only 50% more. I mean, it's just crazy. It's just crazy. So it's kind of nice because if you think about it from the enterprise standpoint, right? If I have a rack full of hard drives, and they're all, let's say they're 20 terabyte hard drives, right? Basically, one of these could replace 10 20 terabyte hard drives. Now you might be going, TekShinji, that seems like a really bad deal. It's cheaper, just go hard drives. Well, here's the thing. In most enterprise solutions, the systems, the way they're built, the way they're charged, it's per CPU and the amount of drives and stuff you have. So the more backplanes you need, the more hard drive you need to store data, the more it costs, the more operational costs, the more heat, the more cooling you need. The more cooling you need, and on top of that, the more software costs you have per license. So now you could fit this in roughly 1/10 the space with a significant cost increase, but also you pay a lot less for the hardware. Let's see here. Let me check up on chat real quick. Yeah, so Tane says way too fast for you. Yeah, Tane says sorry, man. I guess he got took out by you. Tane says TekShinji, I made it to 10th place. Nice, man. 10th place is really good. Soul7 says TekShinji, it's seriously $40,000. Just joking about being 35. Lottery ticket, here I come. Yeah, it originally went on sale for $40,000. I mean, like I said, it's not aimed at us. It's aimed at enterprise grade stuff. Which, I mean, it's a lot of money, but space savings, electricity, license fees, and hardware, when you get into enterprise, it makes a big difference. So it might actually be cheaper. I'm not really into that, so I don't know, but it's probably going to be cheaper if they do that. John Z says that's a huge amount of space. Wow. Yeah. So right now the biggest hard drive from Seagate's 20 terabytes. So if you get 20 of these terabyte drives together, 10 of these together, it's equivalent to one of these 200 terabyte drives, which that saves a lot of space, right? We're talking this much space, a stack of 3.5 inch drives to just one. Soul7 says chia plotting. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely something that it could definitely be used for. I don't know. That might be very expensive. It'll be fast though, that's for sure. You don't have to wait for anything to spin up. Yeah. So tell me what you guys think about the 200 terabyte hard drive, because as we all know, enterprise solutions usually almost always trickle down to the consumer. So it'll be pretty cool to see what they come up with when it comes to that.